Hello guys, today we are getting 500 kills to rebirth. Basically that. So, let's go. Bruh, get out. Who did this? Finally. Getting 500 kills. This is quite a movie then, so get some popcorn. Get a drink and some popcorn, because this is going to be long. So, hello, oh never mind. Hello, never mind. Hello, no, nobody. Getting 500 plus kills. I don't know what's wrong with me today. I won't stop doing that, and I think I have mental health problems. Let's go in World 2 to get more, Okay. Yeah, I can't find anyone. Oh! I accidentally deleted my sums because I tried to post a short, but it was too long. So it didn't really work out. I'm so sorry for my nose. Is it eating? Alright, so there's not a lot, but we can go deeper though. Alright, so sit back and relax the video. You could be watching on any device. You could sleep and hear my voice, or what just happened with my control. Morning if yeah. No aliens. Bruh, how dare you steal my kill, bro? Oop. Yeah, we might. Okay, let's go to World 1 because it's kind of not a lot of aliens. Oh, where did you? Bruh, get out. So, yeah. Oh, I don't want to go through. Wait, Lapis, if you use this, oh, never mind. What is happening to the controls today? Oh, never mind. It's just a message. So, can't really find anything. Oh, there you go. Ooh. Takes two shots, bro. How did I miss that one? There you go. Hello. There you go. Let me just fight with him. Come on, close. Bro, get out. There we go. Oh, there we go. I don't know how much time is. I don't know how long this video is going to be. Oh, hello. Boom, boom. So, oh, here, there you go. Okay, we got Jeff the Killer, like so right here. Did he even? Oh, there you go. He did spawn. Oh, 360. I hope I don't get 7 on the 0. Then you know what number it would be. Oh, man! What is wrong with you? Ignore that one. Ignore that gun, please. It's kind of embarrassing. There we go. You dare to steal my... Oh. Finally, I'll get 1 kill. If you're so dumb. Okay, there we go. There we go. Why did the bacon not help me here? Let's reload. Yo, the chair is on fire. What do you mean by the skeleton? Not the chair, it's on the skeleton. Damn. Hello. Can you stop jumping? To actually get you. Mate is so annoying. Finally, I actually killed you. Oh. So 1 minute, guys. I have to cut this part for like something. I'll cut the video here for like something. So right now, just ignore the backgrounds. Alright, so let's grind until we literally die. This is a movie, so just watch back and just relax. So we are 200 away from getting 500. Where? Oh, there. I killed him before you. Haha. Ha 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 ha. Ha ha. You are weird. Ha 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 ha. I might even edit. Why do I even did that laugh? I'll put it right now. So I'll put. Why did I laugh like that? Like, alright. There we go. Man, you don't have the aura. Look at you. You have fire aura, but it's not actually that good. I am going to... Sorry, I was kind of busy going to the bathroom. Ooh. Bro just took my whole left arm. What the? Bro just took my whole arm. How can I even? Let me just... Yep, there we go. I just lost my arm somehow. Let me just inventory switch that. There we go. Shotgun. It's so fast to reload this thing. Oh, hello. Oh, wow. Where the hell did you come from? Okay, you just stole my kill. Alright. Oh, wow. You come. Can I not just run? What literally just stopped me? Oh, come on. Okay, at least we... I like that sound. There we go. This is going to be very long. Wait, he's already dead. Bro, stop spamming that. It's not the best, alright? I have the same, but it's green. I'm just spamming. Wait, Jeff might be here. What is that? Oh, that was a trap. I really wish I could have music, but I don't have any like in my library. I don't know. Oh my, it's so annoying when people do this. Where are... How did you get so lucky? It's so simple. There we go. What? This is getting hard. Should I beat the game on hardcore? Should I get 500 kills on hardcore? How crazy would that be? Go. Oh. Come on, I don't get it. Like how the barnacles can you get? You are so dumb. What? Where is bro shooting at? I am getting so... I am getting so annoyed. There we go. There we go. Oh. There we go. 7-7. This is just boring actually. I'm going to spend a ton of time just getting kills and it's almost impossible. Because of these noobs. They are literally getting everything and spamming their Uzi or something. It could be any. Where are the... Why do you get so lucky? Like, where do they spawn? Why is it so hard? Oh, at least you're here. Why is this so hard? Oh. Hello. Oh my god. Broken book, actually. What are you pushing me for? Oh, so that's it. What is this guy doing actually? Yep. Bruh. Every time I'm trying to get something, the noobs always get it. Come on. You just spam shotguns. I don't have enough Robux to buy it. You know, private servers. Damn it. I'm getting quite angry. Oh. Would try to get me. Bro! What did you push me for? Oh. Why is there a ton? I want to get... I am crazy! Move! Oh. What the heck? Nice. Good job. There we go, finally. I actually get some good kills. Should I use the sniper more? Because it kind of feels left out. Same for... No, that's basically it. Hello? Nope, nobody. Hello? Nope, nobody. How is it almost impossible to literally get... Oh, you just spawned out of nowhere. Boom, headshot. Wait, what? Oh, he already dead. Can everyone stop finally? I'm kinda getting mad. That sounds like a revolver. Oh, come on. This is what I mean by shotgun spammers. They literally shoot. Like, literally nothing. Just wasting ammo. Hello. Oh, why are you just... Finally, you pay attention. Finally, pay attention. Only takes 3 shots. But I pressed the reload button. Nope. Ooh. Yeah, there's barely anything. So I'm getting extremely tired. Oh, this video is 18 minutes long. Wait, what? Where are the barnacles? Wow. Where's the screen recorder? Oh, there you go. There you go. So, oh, boom, boom. What was that? Boom, 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 boom. There we go. 390. Yep, that's a kill. Oh. Bye-bye. What are you shooting at? Can somebody just leave the doors open? I don't appreciate it. Nine more to go. To even reach 400. It's almost impossible. I don't think I can reach 500. I'm suffering of dehydration. Oh, hello. Hello. He's my friend. Oh, jeez. Come on, I'm getting quite mad. Because of, you know. Oh, I'm just crazy. It's so simple, man. Just get out a gun. Oh, where the hell did you come? He just got flinged in like fifth dimension. Oh, I can't see any. Wait, I think it's because it was the sun. Wait. Oh my god, the sun blinded me. Or no, it actually flashed behind me. What's this room about? Just like, come on, why is it almost impossible to even? I might even change this video to 400. There we go, finally. Oh, where did you come from, Link? How he died? Oh, yep, he's dead. What? I don't get it. What just How did you get in here? How did you literally get in here? What? That's just insane. Did you get in there? I am quite shocked. Like, how did you? Sometimes you're very smart. You How dare you? At least I'm getting the kill back. Oh, fine. Oh, finally. Where all the aliens are. I feel happy. No. Wait. Where are the aliens? Like, though. Where are the aliens, though? Yeah, don't. Where are all the aliens? Come on, I want some aliens. There we go, good alien. There you go. Yeah, this map is like more useful. There we go. One more kill. I might even change this to 400 kills. I might do 100 on the next video. Guys, this is a 400 kill video. So getting 400 kills on this video. Sorry about lying. Getting 400. On the next video, I will get 100 on the next video. Everyone, bye. I hope you enjoyed this movie. It's kind of long, but bye. See ya. Have a nice day.